Flooding causing a big problem in Johnson County as several roads are closed today. Already, emergency crews had to rescue one driver who tried to make it through that water. RTV6's Mike Pelton is live along 400 South near US 31 with the price some stubborn drivers could have to pay. Mike.
Well, here along 400 South, this is one of many flooded roads across Johnson County. Right where I'm standing is nearly 2 feet deep. Now, there are signs warning of the closures across the county, and today officials say ignoring them could come at a cost.
It filled up the floorboard first and started getting my butt wet, and I thought, this is not good.
As if Chuck O'Gara needed the reminder, he quickly found out Sunday night that his Cadillac Eldorado does not double as a boat, as he wound up stuck on this stretch of County Road 250 South east of Mox Ferry Road.
I went through the first water okay. When I got to the second water, I stalled out, and the electrics in the car just went crazy.
Chuck wound up stuck in his car. Emergency crews rescued him by boat, and his picture shows them towing away his car. Chuck's story is one too many for the Johnson County Sheriff.
This could cost somebody their life. Not only could it cost them their life, but their insurance company is probably not going to be happy with them for having tried to cross through that water.
Sheriff Doug Cox says it comes down to common sense, and if you ignore the warning signs, you could pay the price.
By ignoring that road closed sign, if you're going to try your luck, it is a civil infraction. It is a ticket writing offense for anybody to avoid a road closed sign.
And while his car is now damaged, Chuck is moving forward with a lesson learned that a short detour is certainly worth the hassle.
Disappointed myself.
And here are some of the road closures in Johnson County as provided by the sheriff. Of course, if you see any flooded roads, don't try and drive across them. Now, as we come back out here live, you can see some of these roads are taking on a substantial amount of water. Authorities say it could take several days to drain. For now, we're live in Johnson County. Mike Pelton, RTV6.